Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to count backwards from 100. You're going to be successful today if you can count backwards by 100 from any number. So let's get started. Alright, so when we're counting backwards by 100, we're making the number 100 times smaller. And it's similar to how we counted backwards from counted by tens backwards. So let's start with the number 935. So when we count backwards by hundreds, the only number that we are changing is the number that is in the hundreds column. So the number that's in the hundreds column is 9, so 9 hundredths. So each time when we count backwards by 100, we're taking away 100 each time. So if I take away 100, it's going to be 835. And if I count back by hundreds again, it's going to be 735. So you can see each time I'm only taking away the number that is in the hundreds column. So each time I'm taking away 100, I'm only taking the number, changing the number that's in the hundreds column every time. So this number, this number, this number, this number. Each time I'm only taking away 100. So I'm only changing the number that's in the hundreds column. Alright, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Once you've finished watching this video, I want you to go onto the slideshow and I want you to answer the questions that are on the second slide about counting backwards from 100. So you'll have the number and then you have to count backwards 5 times. If you finish and it was too easy, I want you to make your own number up, write it down on a piece of paper. I want you to count backwards by 100 about 4 times, and then I want you to upload it onto Google Classroom and show me what you came up with. I hope you have a good day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.